guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can log in to CapCut PC. So go to the menu here, select back to home page if you're on a project. If not, just stay here. Select the sign in section. You can sign in using your email, your Facebook, I think, and I'm just gonna sign in using TikTok. I'm like having trouble processing. You can also use QR code, but I've never done that before. I think you scan it from your phone. So I'm just going to select the sign in with TikTok one, the simplest one here. Don't forget to authorize, open, and you'll be logged in to CapCut using TikTok. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.